దిస్ ఇస్ సాగర్ జువాలజీ క్లాసెస్. మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ లివర్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ పెట్టాను. దాన్ని చూసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అయినటువంటి ఈ ప్యాంక్రియాస్ గ్లాండ్ యొక్క క్లాస్ మీరు వినాలి. ఓకేనా? సో టుడే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ద టాపిక్ నేమ్ ఇస్ ప్యాంక్రియాస్ గ్లాండ్. సో ద ప్యాంక్రియాస్ గ్లాండ్ ఈజ్ known as sweet gland or mixed gland. So why this gland is mixed gland? So what's the reason? So what the reason is, so the pancreas gland which secretes the pancreatic juice. So pancreatic juice, the pH is 8.4, that means alkaline pancreatic juice secretes from the pancreas gland. Actually pancreatic juice secretes from which part? It's very important. So the pancreas gland is located in the small intestine. The small intestine first part, duodenum. So duodenum is the C-shaped structure. On the left side a leaf-like structure, that name is pancreas gland. Pancreas gland. So it is also called mixed gland. So why are mixed glands are we see here. So pancreas gland, so we see the pancreas gland in microscopic structure. So the internal structure view, so outer region is the basilar acini. You know acinis. So these acinis is called we are the clusters of cells like structure, that is acini. So this part is called exocrine part. Okay, and coming to into the middle region consists a group of cells, that name is islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans cells. Actually the Langerhans name is mentioned, the Paul Langerhans discovered the pancreas, so that's why we are mentioned the islets of Langerhans cells. So islets as Langerhans, we said the called endocrine functions. So what are these? First one is exocrine and endocrine. We see here endocrine. So exocrine cells, the group of acinous cells. So these acinous cells called pancreatic acinous. Pancreatic acinous cells. So these cells are secretes enzymes. So enzymes, very important. So the exocrine functions, what will do? So they will do the enzymes, they secrete the enzymes, and endocrine functions will do the which secretes hormones. So what are the hormones are there? So hormones which located from, so I will mention the islets of Langerhans cells, which secretes several cells. What are the cells means? First one is alpha cells, and blue color I mentioned beta cells, and green color is gamma cells. So alpha cells, beta cells, gamma cells present here. So these cells are called islets of Langerhans. Okay, and coming to what are hormones are there, sir? So hormones are, okay, clear? Hormones, so what are the hormones here? So the alpha cells secretes glucagon. Alpha cells secretes glucagon, and beta cells secrete insulin. Okay, so alpha cells secretes glucagon, beta cells secretes insulin. So these two hormones are balance of glucose levels in the body. Okay, so that means glucose levels of body, that means homeostasis. So homeostasis of our body. So the glucose levels were increases or decreases. The glucose levels maintain, that means balancing of the glucose levels in the body. Okay, and coming to, so these hormones are helpful for the hypoglycemic condition and hyperglycemic condition. Okay, and as well as pancreatic juice. So now pancreatic juice is secretes from exocrine part, that means this part. So this part is exocrine part. So this exocrine part secretes pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice. So the pancreatic juice contains bicarbonate ions, that means bicarbonate and carboxypeptidase carboxypeptidases and lipase, that means pancreatic lipase. We are called pancreatic lipase. So the pancreatic lipase, carboxypeptidase, bicarbonate and nucleases, that means DNAs and RNAs. And majorly the proteins digestion, like chymotrypsinogen and trypsinogen. So these are digestion of proteins, lipids and as well as pancreatic amylase, that means P amylase. So pancreatic amylase for the digestion of carbohydrates. Isn't clear? So exocrine part consists of pancreatic juice and endocrine consists of hormones. So these will do functions we are called mixed gland. So the pancreas is a mixed gland. Why it is mixed gland? The pancreas gland two works, that means endocrine functions and exocrine functions. So that's why we are called mixed gland. So why the sweet gland means the alpha cells secretes glucagon and beta cells secretes insulin. So these two hormones are glucose level, that means sweet in our body. So that's why the glucose levels in the body, the pancreas gland, it maintains the functions. Okay, so ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ముందుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.